Today I'll show you how to deploy in Vercel step by step, even if you've never used it before. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a live project running on the web using one of Vercel's templates, and you'll understand what each step is doing and why it matters. First, open your browser and go to Vercel's website. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you can quickly create one using a Git provider or an email address. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Vercel dashboard. This is your main control center where all of your existing projects and deployments are listed. From the dashboard, look for the button that says Add New. This is usually located near the top right of the page. Click Add New. This tells Vercel that you want to create something new, and it will open a small menu with a few options. In that menu, click on Project. A project in Vercel is basically a website or application that you're going to host. Selecting Project starts the process of setting up that new app or site. On the next screen, Vercel gives you two main ways to get started. You can either import an existing Git repository, or you can clone a template. Importing a Git repository is ideal if you already have code on platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Vercel will connect to your repository, detect the framework, and set everything up for you. However, in this tutorial, we'll focus on the template option because it's a great way to get something running quickly, especially if you're just exploring or prototyping. So under the Clone Template section, look for and click the option that says Browse All. This opens a gallery of starter projects that Vercel provides. In the Templates gallery, you'll see a wide variety of ready-made projects, frameworks like Next.js, React, and others, plus different use cases like blogs, portfolios, dashboards, or landing pages. Take a moment to scan through and choose a template that fits what you want to experiment with. When you see one you like, click on it to select it. After you click the template, Vercel will show you a brief overview. This typically includes the framework used, a description, and sometimes a preview. This is useful for confirming that this is really what you want. If it looks good, proceed to the next step. Now, you're ready for the most important part. Click the Deploy button. When you do this, Vercel will start the deployment process. Behind the scenes, it clones the template into a new project, installs dependencies, builds the application, and then hosts it on a unique URL. You'll see a deployment status page where you can watch the progress in real time. Once the deployment finishes, Vercel will give you a live link to your new site. You can click that link to open your deployed project in the browser. From there, you can share the URL, test your app, and later come back to the dashboard to customize settings, connect a custom domain, or trigger new deployments as you update the code. And that's it. You've just learned how to deploy in Vercel using a template, from opening the site to adding a new project, choosing a template, and finally deploying it live.